All right, we're going to talk about airbags and some of the more complicated remotes. We sell a lot of these, as you know, and you can replace these, but we want to explain kind of how it works. So if you have air, which is the airbag going in, and you'll kind of see back in here, you get an air box back here, you got the air cords in here, and then you have the full junction box that's in here. So if you have to replace this remote, you're going to get usually a lot of cases, if you buy the whole set from us, is you're going to get all of this that needs to be replaced. And it's important that you replace it all because it all connects together and that's how it's synced together. So make sure when you do it, you'll see that you have this junction box, all of the air cords, and this. It looks a little bit complicated because there's a lot of cords, but quite honestly, when you get the package and you see how to replace it, it's not as complicated as it looks and it's very doable. Just make sure you order the correct remote for your chair.